welcome to Easy As Kids. I'm Isabel.
And I'm Thea.
And today we're making Christmas trees because it's Christmas! Let's see what's in the pack.
Whoa!
Stickers! So we've got stickers, wood and nails.
And some instructions.
Well, we won't be needing these. To make this Christmas tree, all you need to do is line up these holes with the trunk like this. Put the nails through the holes and line up all your pieces before you start hammering. Okay, let's get down to business.
They're all coming out!
Last one.
Voila!
And now for the base. Kind of pays to have someone help you with this bit. Same thing again. We want to put our nails in the hole. Thea, don't bash my fingers off. Now the fun bit.
The fun bit!
You can never have too many stickers. Ooh, a jingle bell. Prepare to see the wonders of this. That's all there is to it. Hope you enjoy making your Christmas tree. It's easy as.